Good morning students, welcome to Navodaya 10th Mathematics online class. So due to Corona, we are going to conduct online classes and already you know the syllabus. What are the chapters? Number 1 real numbers, number 2 FA1 syllabus, number 1 real numbers, number 2 sets, number 7 coordinate geometry, number 8 what is number 8? Similar triangle. So now I am going to start with chapter 7 coordinate geometry. And what is coordinate geometry? You know in previous classes also. You know the definition of coordinate geometry also. And we have basics of coordinate geometry in 9th also. And here also we are having some basics about coordinate geometry. For any chapter, introduction plays an important role. You have to know the definition of coordinate geometry first and what are the basics about coordinate geometry. We are going to discuss deeply about coordinate geometry introduction. First of all, what is coordinate geometry? And this is chapter 7 in your textbook. And totally we are having 4 chapters for FA1. What are the chapters? Number 1 real numbers. Write your syllabus neatly about FA1. Number 1 real numbers, number 2 sets, number 7 coordinate geometry, number 8 similar triangles. First we discuss about coordinate geometry deeply and we will do more and some of the problems about coordinate geometry, and you know this is formulas based chapter. So without knowing formulas this chapter is not possible for you. What is coordinate geometry first of all? And very first point about coordinate geometry, like introduction, and write your notes neatly about coordinate geometry. Introduction means basics about coordinate geometry. What is the very first point about coordinate geometry? Basics of coordinate geometry. We are having same basics in 9th also, but some extra introduction is there. What is coordinate geometry? The branch of mathematics. It is a branch of mathematics. Like so many branches are there in mathematics, like trigonometry, algebra, calculus, geometry, like that. So it is a branch of mathematics which deals with the points in coordinate plane. Okay na? The branch of mathematics which deals about the points in plane, coordinate plane, is known as coordinate geometry, or two more names are there: analytical geometry. Analytical geometry, second name, and third name is Cartesian geometry. Cartesian geometry. 3 names are there for the same chapter. We are having 2 more names. Number 1 coordinate geometry, number 2 analytical geometry, number 3 Cartesian geometry. Suppose if anyone asks you define coordinate geometry, what is the definition of coordinate geometry? The branch of, first point, the branch of mathematics which deals with the points. Coordinate geometry deals with points. The branch of mathematics which deals with the points in a plane. The points in a plane. It is known as coordinate geometry or analytical geometry or Cartesian geometry. That is very important definition about coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry deals with points. And you know in previous classes also, geometry contains some undefined terms and defined terms. So point belongs to undefined term. There is no definition for point. You know what is the definition of point? Point is undefined term. There is no definition for point. Just mark a dot on the board. Mark a dot. Then it is known as point. Mark a dot. It is known as point. Coordinate geometry deals with points. This is very important point about coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry contains points. What is the definition of point? Point has no definition. Point is undefined term. Mark a dot. It is known as point. Points are represented by uppercase letters. Points are represented by uppercase letters. Points are represented by uppercase letters like capital A, capital B, capital C, so on. So points are represented by uppercase letters. Coordinate geometry deals with the points. Point is undefined term. Mark a dot, it is known as point. Points are represented by uppercase letters. Who developed coordinate geometry? Who is the developer of coordinate geometry? So, who developed coordinate geometry? Just like father of coordinate geometry. Who is the father of coordinate geometry? Who is the father of coordinate geometry? Father of coordinate geometry. Who is the father of coordinate geometry? René Descartes. Father of coordinate geometry, René Descartes, French mathematician. So, father of coordinate geometry, developer of coordinate geometry, René Descartes, French mathematician. So, who is the father of coordinate geometry? René Descartes, French mathematician. He is the developer of coordinate geometry. So, first point about coordinate geometry, definition of coordinate geometry. The branch of mathematics which deals with points in a plane is known as coordinate geometry. Point is undefined term. There is no definition for point. Just mark a dot. It is known as point. Points are represented by uppercase letters, means capital letters A, B, C, so on. And who is the developer of coordinate geometry? Father of coordinate geometry, René Descartes, French mathematician. Then, fourth point about coordinate geometry. What is point? Point is undefined term. Point has no definition. Points are represented by uppercase letters. Point is nothing but ordered pair. You know the definition of ordered pair, you know. What is the definition of ordered pair? Ordered pair is nothing but a point. Point, ordered pair, same. What is the definition of ordered pair? A pair of elements, two elements. A pair of elements or numbers. A pair of numbers or a pair of elements or two numbers. We can write a pair of elements. We can write a pair of numbers. We can write two numbers separated by comma. Separated by comma. So what should be there? Comma should be there. A pair of numbers separated by comma. Or we can write two numbers separated by comma. Or we can write a pair of elements separated by comma. So what should be there? Comma. A pair of numbers separated by comma, arranged in proper order. Arranged in proper order. Arranged in proper order. So they should be in proper order. And placed in brackets. It is known as ordered pair. So ordered pair is nothing but point. What is the very important point? What is the definition of ordered pair? Ordered pair definition. A pair of numbers separated by comma. Two numbers, or we can write two numbers separated by comma, arranged in proper order. Order plays an important role. Arranged in proper order and placed in brackets. It is known as ordered pair. Suppose A and B are two elements, two numbers. A and B are two numbers. A first number, B second number. They should be in proper order. A and B are two numbers separated by comma. There should be comma between them. First number A, second number B. That is just like order. Proper order. First one is A, second one is B. Then or we can write small x, small y. Your wish. So A and B are two elements, two numbers separated by comma and placed between brackets. Placed between brackets. Such type of brackets only. This type of brackets only. Placed between brackets. It is known as ordered pair. Two numbers or two elements separated by comma, arranged in proper order, placed in brackets. It is known as ordered pair. A and B are two numbers. A and B are two numbers. Then, so they should be in proper order. First number A, second number B, and separate them by using comma and placed in brackets. It is known as ordered pair A comma B. So how to read it? Ordered pair A comma B. This is ordered pair A comma B. Or we can write ordered pair X comma Y. And this is ordered pair A comma B. First number is A, second number is B. They should be in proper order and they are separated by comma and placed in brackets. It is known as ordered pair A comma B. And very important point, ordered pair A comma B not equal to ordered pair B comma A. So very important point, ordered pair A comma B not equal to ordered pair B comma A unless 99% they are not equal. So when they are equal, unless A and B are equal. Ordered pair A comma B not equal to ordered pair B comma A unless A and B are equal. Very important point. So ordered pair A comma B not equal to ordered pair B comma A unless A and B are equal. And here in ordered pair A comma B, A is known as first element or first coordinate or abscissa. Three names are there. What is the name for A? First element, first coordinate, abscissa. B is known as second element, second coordinate, ordinate. Three names are there again for B also. Ordinate. So A is known as first element. Name for A, first element or first coordinate or abscissa. Name for B, second element, second coordinate or ordinate. So very important definition. Ordered pair, a pair of numbers separated by comma, arranged in proper order and placed in brackets. It is known as ordered pair A comma B. Suppose A and B are two numbers. They are separated by comma and placed in brackets. It is known as ordered pair A comma B. Ordered pair A comma B not equal to ordered pair B comma A unless A and B are equal. In ordered pair A comma B, A is known as first element, first number, first coordinate, abscissa. B is known as second element, second coordinate and ordinate. Then, so this is about ordered pair. We can represent every ordered pair as a point in a plane. So, for every ordered pair there is one point in plane. We can represent every ordered pair as a point in graph, in plane. You know, in graph, for every ordered pair, we are keeping one dot, one point. So, one ordered pair, one point. So, we can represent every ordered pair as a point in a plane. So, there is one-to-one relation between ordered pair and a point. One ordered pair, one point. So, there is one-to-one relation between ordered pair and point. So, ordered pair is nothing but point. And what is the general form of point? Px comma y, or we can write Pa comma B. P for point. General form of point is Px comma y. P for point, X for first element or first number or first coordinate or abscissa. Y is what? Second element, second coordinate, ordinate. This is about very first introduction about point, ordered pair. and the definition of coordinate geometry. And who is the developer of coordinate geometry? René Descartes, French mathematician. In the next class, we see the remaining part of the introduction. Thank you, students.